This poetry guide is designed to help students improve their reading comprehension skills through the analysis of Rudyard Kipling's didactic poem, If. After completing this lesson, you will be able to explain how meaning is enhanced through choice of words and phrases. Identify key details from the text. Identify how language, structure, and presentation contribute to meaning. Make comparisons within the text. Evaluate how authors use language, considering the impact on the reader. Explain and justify inferences with evidence from the text. Let's start by knowing the poet and the background of the poem. Read the poem, which lists a set of conditionals for the speaker's son to follow in order to become an ideal man. The poem summarizes father's advice to son on how to perceive the world and life's challenges so that he can both learn from his experiences and resolutely overcome barriers. In Session 1, we will be dealing with poetry analysis. Infer the meaning of the words from the context of the poem and then frame sentences. Write in the left-hand column the lines that refer to each of the given meanings. Identify the elements of poetry like message, tone, context, speaker, point of view, setting, form, and structure. Use the poetry elements that you have identified to write a critical appreciation of the poem. You may use the given sentence frame as a guide to write the critical appreciation. Attempt these differentiated tasks that help you to infer and derive deeper meaning from the poem and connect with the text. Try these questions to test your understanding of the poem, to develop your analytical and interpretive skills. Session 2 provides you with close reading techniques for analyzing poetic language. There are specific phrases and clauses that suggest deeper meaning. Identify the figures of speech, such as synecdoche, assonance, syllabsis, personification, anaphora, metaphor, alliteration, internal rhyme, hyperbole, symbolism, imagery, paradox, oxymoron, antithesis, anastrophe, and explain how they are used in the poem. If is a poem that presents a series of conditional statements and advice on how to become a man. Reflect on the poem's advice and compare and contrast it with your own experiences. These differentiated tasks help you to appreciate the complexity of poetic language and structure. Test your own understanding regarding the identification of the poetic devices employed in the poem. Session 3 begins with a task that encourages you to interpret the poem and write a verse-by-verse summary. Take time to identify the elements of annotation, such as tone, context, perspective, point of view, theme, form, and structure. Use the identified elements of annotation to annotate the given lines. You may use the given sentence frame as a guide to annotate the lines. Use these differentiated tasks to promote active learning, foster creativity, and critical thinking. Use this plenary to provide an opportunity for yourself to recap your understanding of the poem. Before I conclude, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, John D'Souza, and to stay updated on my latest educational videos. To download the PowerPoint presentation of this resource, log into Teachers Pay Teachers and search for John D'Souza.